Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we discuss Beginner's Guide to Machine Learning. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field that is changing the way we approach data analysis and decision-making. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step syllabus to help you get started on your machine learning journey. Introduction to Machine Learning. First, let's start with the basics. In this section, we'll discuss what machine learning is and its applications in different industries. We'll also cover the differences between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and how they are used in practice. Lastly, we'll explore the importance of data, pre-processing, and feature engineering in machine learning. Regression and Classification. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to delve deeper. In this section, we'll cover regression and classification techniques, which are used to predict numerical and categorical values respectively. We'll go over the concepts of linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees, and how to evaluate model performance using metrics such as RMSE, MAE, and accuracy, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Next, we'll explore clustering and dimensionality reduction techniques, which are used to group similar data points and reduce the number of features in a dataset respectively. We'll cover k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and principal component analysis, and how to evaluate clustering performance using metrics such as silhouette score and elbow method, neural networks, and deep learning. Moving on to more advanced topics, we'll discuss artificial neural networks and deep learning, which are used to recognize patterns in complex data. We'll cover feed-forward neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks, and how to evaluate deep learning performance using metrics such as loss and accuracy, model optimization, and hyperparameter tuning. Now that you understand how to build models, it's time to optimize them. In this section, we'll discuss model optimization and hyperparameter tuning techniques, which are used to improve model performance. We'll cover regularization techniques, optimization algorithms, and hyperparameter search methods, and how to use cross-validation and grid search for hyperparameter tuning, model deployment, and interpretation. Lastly, we'll discuss how to deploy and interpret machine learning models. We'll cover different deployment options, such as APIs and cloud services, and how to interpret model predictions using techniques such as feature importance and partial dependence plots, best practices, and resources. Finally, we'll wrap up by discussing best practices for working efficiently with machine learning and staying up to date with the latest trends. We'll also explore additional resources, including tutorials, courses, and communities, to help you continue your learning journey. And that's it. We hope you found this beginner's guide to machine learning helpful. Remember, machine learning is a vast and ever-evolving field, so don't be afraid to experiment and continue learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our community by subscribing to our channel and following us on social media. We'll see you in the next one.